Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 4. Government will be reviewing the 2019-2020 budget to make allocations for the rehabilitation of damaged roads across the island. The cost for repair is approximately $640 million. 215 roads were either blocked or badly damaged from flood events in the recent months. Among the most impacted are roads in Clarendon, St. Catherine, St. Thomas, Manchester, St. Andrew, and St. Elizabeth. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says he will be looking to cut, postpone, or change some of the budgetary allocations to the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation to deal with the emergency.
We are not in a position to somehow find money ethereally. So what we will be doing is to re-examine the budget that we have and do what governments have to do, which is make priorities.
Prime Minister Holness was speaking in Parliament Tuesday. $84.73 million had been allotted in the 2019-2020 budget for road rehabilitation, and so the additional sum Mr. Holness shared needs to be garnered. The Prime Minister also called on Jamaicans to stop practices such as dumping and cutting down trees on hillsides, which increase the risk of flooding and landslides.
There is a conversation that definitely needs to happen about how we as citizens care for the environment.
Meanwhile, the Ferris to Macfield Road Improvement Project in Westmoreland is 95% complete.
The other works, such as putting in the road markings, putting in the necessary what they call road furniture, the signage and whatever barriers and sidewalk and other things to make the road safe. When that is done, then we could say the road is complete.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave the update on Wednesday as he toured the road network. Work on the 14-kilometer thoroughfare is being undertaken by the China Harbour Engineering Company as part of the major infrastructure development program. The roadway is being constructed at a cost of $24.9 million. Prime Minister Holness also used the opportunity to inspect work being done to rebuild the Paradise Bridge in the parish, which collapsed in October 2018. The $48 million project is expected to be completed by December.
I think the people of Westmoreland, particularly the communities along this road, are very happy. It will increase commerce, it will increase the comfort of travel, and I think it will also spur economic development.
Members of the public will soon be able to purchase shares in Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, which owns and operates the country's toll road network. The state-owned National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC, has an agreement with Trans-Jamaican Highway overseas-based parent companies, Bowie Construction Concessions and Vinci, to acquire ownership of the firm. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says, due to the parent company's corporate objectives and policy and their view of toll concessions, the opportunity has come for a transition in ownership.
NROC has negotiated on the basis that upon that acquisition, Trans-Jamaica Highway will become available to the public to invest in. The government of Jamaica has no plans to own Trans-Jamaica Highway for any length of time.
Dr. Clark was speaking yesterday at an announcement ceremony for the company to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. National Commercial Bank was selected as the IPO's lead arranger by consultancy firm PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, which serves as NROC's advisors. Dr. Clark said the Trans-Jamaican Highway IPO is likely to be the largest undertaken in Jamaica, surpassing that of Wigton Wind Farm Limited, which was executed earlier this year. Trans-Jamaican Highway are operators of the east-west leg of Highway 2000 between Kingston and Maypen Clarendon and the Portmore Causeway in St. Catherine. Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck says the list of divorce and probate cases in the court system will be cleared by the end of the year. The minister further shared that there are improvements in the completion rate of criminal cases brought before the courts since the start of the year.
We are having results. So only recently I've heard from a number of attorneys that they're getting probates done within 3 months. Now this is revolutionary because probates were being taken 2 years and 5 years. Now the Chief Justice has intimated that probates and divorces, which used to take 2 years, are now being done within 6 months.
The minister was speaking recently at a training seminar for judges and lay magistrates titled Train the Trainer Session, Lay Magistrates Court. The training seminar was organized by the Justice Training Institute, Justice Undertakings for Social Transformation, JUST, and the National Integrity Action, NIA. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.